The German family-owned mother company founded the ZIEHL-ABEGG Motor and Ventilation Producer Ltd in Marseille in 1994, which is the biggest employer in the area, including nearly 850 employees. The production of different fan spare parts takes place in our 3 factories throughout numerous shifts. We produce the aluminum spare parts for fans using cold chamber, high-pressure foundry technology, the biggest part of which is already produced in our CNC factory along automatized production aisles. Within the factory, stator aprons are built together with the wound electric engine stator parts. In our winding factory, the production of electric engine stator parts takes place, from the isolation of iron core to the assembly of complete stator parts. Our special engines are prepared by hand in small series production runs, ranging from the elevator technique through computer tomography to the drive engines of buses. The grid factory produces fan engine holders and production grids using cold formation and welding. The powder painting factory is connected to the production line, where the corrosion protection of grids is provided by service management. Both inner and outer trainings play an important role in our supply expertise. The number of our university students taking part in dual educational system is outstanding. Our vocational students can acquire the basics in our metal industrial workshops and a large number of training rooms and IT labs, where we provide the facilities to train our students and colleagues.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.